I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. I'm here with the Golden Cloud PR-515 with Twilight tilt. This is one of Golden's lift recliners. This one comes with the Tucker fabric. This is the hazelnut color, but there is a few other colors, and you can always upgrade to the higher quality fabrics like the Brisa, which is their imitation leather polyurethane material. But this is the one it comes with, is the Tucker. Now this line of lift recliners has what they call hybrid seating. So instead of small, medium, large, you will have small / medium and then medium / large. So this is the medium to large. And then this one, it has about 20, I believe it's 22 inches between the arms. Yes, 22 inches. And then the smaller one is 20 inches between the arms. This one is 20 inches in depth. The small to medium is about 18 inches in depth. And then this one, the overall width of the chair is around 39.5, and on the small to medium, it's about 35.5 inches wide. Now you do need, when you're installing this, 24 inches away from the wall. So when you're fully reclined, you're not going to damage the wall. And on the smaller one, it's about 23 inches. So this lift recliner has all 5 zones of comfort, which Golden Technologies has 5 different zones. I got a little diagram on the screen for you. This one has all 5. So this one has different functions on the remote control. The remote is ran from the right-hand side. If you're left-handed, give us a call. We will try to get that set up from the factory, but there's different functions on this. So you have your tilt, which will tilt you forward. You have your recline, which will control your legs and your back and go all the way back into a lay flat position. You also have a headrest control, which will bring just your headrest up. You can also control the headrest independently and bring that up or down, or you can control the leg rest independently, bring that up and down. And then the Twilight tilt will tilt the entire chair back, and you can bring your feet above your heart in this position if you're fully laid back. That's a really nice feature on this. There's also built-in lumbar support. On the other remote, you have built-in heat and massage. This is not the Nirvana Swedish massage. This is just their normal massage that they have built into the chair. You do have different zones you can select and select the intensity and how you want the massage, and then it's just a standard heating package as well. So once again, this is the PR-515. This is the Cloud by Golden Technologies with Twilight tilt. So if you're interested in this unit, give us a call, or I will have a link in the description below with the up-to-date price. And I have a full review in the description below that shows you everything you need to know about this chair. So if you're interested, give us a call. Check out our website. Thank you for watching.